going on? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we have partnered with OceanSouth. They're a company out of Australia that makes a lot of aftermarket parts for our vessels. And this is not a paid promotion. They sent me these products out to get reviewed and share with you, my followers. So there will be a discount code below as well for anybody that wants to order this product. And yeah, so let's see how it goes. Going to be the T-top enclosure spray shield for center consoles without the enclosed cockpit area. So let's get to it. Now first we're going to start with the unboxing. I haven't opened this yet. This will be just like you getting it home. We'll go through it together and see what this comes with. All right, so comes packaged in a nice box with the branding. All right, this is their smaller shield. They come in two sizes depending on which size cockpit you have on your boat. And it doesn't seem to have any instructions, but it is a pretty straightforward install. You're just going to use your boat's T-top to attach these two. So it seems like it has pretty nice webbing, sturdy buckles, can't break it. It's double stitched down the edges with a diamond / box stitch in the corners for strength and durability. Also box stitched at the attachment points for your straps. And a very clear windshield. So let's go ahead and try and get this thing started and see what happens. The box does not come with any instructions. As I stated, none that I can see. So I guess you do just have to wing it. There is a top side and a bottom side. Your top side is going to be your thinner gray area, and your bottom side will be the thicker gray area. So common sense tells me, let's start with one corner loosely and work our way around. All right, for now I'm going to hang it from there and just loosely fit it to see how we look here. Oh yeah, that'll actually work out nicely. All right. So now we got that installed. It was actually pretty simple, didn't need any instructions. It's self-explanatory. So you've got numerous straps that go around your T-top. And the way they made this kit is so that it's universal for many different types of center console boats with T-tops. You have two lower straps down here. These lower straps provide tension to bring down the front, make sure you have a clear windshield. On our Yamaha boats, obviously we do have the front seating section with a fiberglass bottom console across the front. as you can see here in this picture, the built T-tops usually that are like either added on or on more base model things, different types of boats, they have a T-top that is bolted around the center console, whereas ours is more integrated. So your two front straps that go down to the bottom on ours, you can come over here to the side post, go around and in, and they work just fine. I also tested to make sure that we are able to open and close our front hatch with these. And when you do it, you do get some resistance from the straps if you do strap them there. So you want to be careful with that. Make sure that these are clearing wherever you are installing it, so that you don't get those issues in the future. You could also leave those unstrapped if you wanted to. This is one of the good things about this universal kit is there's numerous different ways to go about it. One of the things I thought about was a latch system, buckle system that I could put on the bottom here. But as far as the product goes, everything seems to be very well constructed. Let me take you on a quick closer tour of it for you. So as you can see, it does cover the entire cockpit area. It is crystal clear. Your stitching, you can see here. All right, so you have double stitching across the top, as well as the bottom with square stitches on the attachment points. Now coming around here to the side, you have a rear attachment point here that I did down to that area there. Again, double stitched all the way up to the top with another attachment point here. And what I did is I ran that around my rocket launcher. Now with these, you also trim these once you've fitted your boat the way you like it. You trim those. All you gotta do is put a piece of electrical tape around the section you want to cut it in the middle of your electrical tape, and then burn your edge so that it keeps it from fraying like they do here. See if I can zoom that in on it for you. So all these are trimmable to whatever size boat you have. They have two different sizes. One size 1 is what I have here today. That is going to be your 27.5-inch console. And then for consoles over 27.5 inches, you're gonna order the second size. These are your codes for them. Let me see if I can get a better shot of that for you. So your MA089 TAC 2 is going to be your smaller version. Your MA089 TAC 3 is your larger version. And then it gives you your points of measurements to measure on it. Let's see. So it comes with a secure and easy attachment with polyester webbing straps and adjustment buckles, unobstructed side and front views, reinforced top and base helm for added strength against strong gales, and it's easily removed and rolled up and stored when not in use. And that's one of my favorite things about this is with my boat, I don't have that full protection, and on those choppy, windy days when I'm getting blasted by seawater, it would have really been nice to have that enclosed cockpit area, and now I have it for a very minimal cost. It looks good. It absolutely matches with my boat with the gray bottom and the black, so it looks great. It covers the entire side cockpit area, as you can see here, top to bottom, fully enclosed. And then my visibility is great. Obviously, I have some wrinkles, and I will iron that out as I start getting used to fitting this and I get the perfect fitment. But as you can see here, I mean, you have full visibility. It's crystal clear, covers the entire cockpit, and it will do the job. And again, you just unstrap it, roll it up, put it away, and you got your full breeze again. So on those cold nights, on those windy days with a lot of sea spray, you're protected. You can get some warmth. The kids can get some warmth. And yeah, great product. I would highly recommend this to my viewers. Again, I will have a discount code for you in the description, a link in the description below to OceanSouth for a discount for my viewers. Check that out. If you like this product, if you want to see more of these, write me a comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I will see you on the next one.